lights in the sky?
I don't know, but this is what we call the Aurora Borealis.
Sorry, horses.
Sorry.
You can tell it's getting late in the day.
It was. The moon was rising early.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay.
Cheap women. Mister.
If only.
Yeah. I'll go again. Cheap wine and loose women. Thank you.
He corpse.
Sorry about that.
You're going to have to do it again.
Oh, cheap women, sorry.
I haven't put the new test thing on like so that needs to be done.
It's all like with the Beatles, like, you know.
Aye. So
Fuck you, like.
4, and it being seen. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know, John, because you're standing in front of it and I can't see.
Oh, fucking well move then.
What is this?
In my life, I've loved them all. Kind of thingy, you know.
I know what you mean. I mean, there are places I remember. Is this running?
Yes. Well, you know, John, as always, we can work it out.
The only thing you need is help.
I'll be giving you a ticket to ride in a minute. If you don't shut that up. It's really sick. Yep. I can't believe we got ourselves into the position where we're having to play John Lennon and Paul McCartney in 1963, but there you go. Such is life in the almighty TIG TV.
Children, I won't let you play with that again. Okay, take 2. I'm proving I can count. Yeah, with 7 it goes over 2 pages, so I'll have to sort that out really.
Yak, bleeding yak.
I'll play with your clap.
Are we ready?
Bored.
Can you see it now behind the bleeding can?
Yes.
Total wank.
Scene 2.
Let's do things properly, shall we?
Insert 1. In bold, bold.
Scene 4.
Now, if you're going Lambeth away, any evening, any day, you'll find us all doing the Lambeth walk. Oi! Sorry about that, Governor.
Right.
Which bit I've got to do, Governor?
Quite
a few times.
Yeah.
I hope he serves up some decent sized potatoes.
Portions.
Oh, is it portions? God. We're having a bit of fun with the lighting here. It's like lots of it and not lots of it, depending on where you look. Oh, no, we shouldn't admit the script, should we? Oh, no, it's just a slight memory lapses. We've learned the script, honest. Sort of. Not.
Let one go higher, because that one can stay as it is. That one needs to just go.
Jamie, what the fuck's he doing? We're only out of film here.
I'm on work experience. It's a traffic gator.
Jamie, I know we invited that MP in, but could you get him out of the shop?
Vote for me.
Always in the fucking opposition. That's fine. Get him out of here. Sorry.
It's just isn't the right position.
Bastard. Fussy old bugger.
Scene 7. Now then, let's do this properly, shall we? Crench, episode 1, scene 7. Scene 7 is 5 of those and 2 of those.
What a verse. Oh, sorry, no, it isn't.